Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best beach chairs in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick is KingCamp Low Sling Beach Chair. This KingCamp Low Sling camping chair is from the group of folding chairs, those that you open and close like an umbrella. So this type is exceptionally easy to use and there is no assembly. The chair has yet another important feature, and this is its solid armrests. Such a design adds to the comfort, but also to the weight as well. Heavy-duty steel frame and 600D Oxford fabric makes the beach chair durable. It is suitable for both slim guys and big guys. Seat width 23.2 inches, KingCamp Beach Chair is wider than others. You will feel more comfortable from low seat chair, fully stretch your legs, as comfortable as lying your bed. Features a cup holder on the right side of the beach chair so you can enjoy an entire day of relaxation. No assembly, open and close in seconds, KingCamp Folding Beach Chair is convenient for you. Heavy-duty steel frame and 600D Oxford fabric makes the beach chair durable. It is suitable for both slim guys and big guys. Seat width 23.2 inches, KingCamp Beach Chair is wider than others, less 23 inches, you will feel more comfortable from low seat chair, fully stretch your legs, as comfortable as lying your bed. Features a cup holder on the right side of the beach chair so you can enjoy an entire day of relaxation. No assembly, open and close in seconds, KingCamp Folding Beach Chair is convenient for you. Number 2. Our second best pick is Tommy Bahama 5-Position Classic Lay Flat Folding Backpack Beach Chair. With a lightweight steel and aluminum frame, this chair is 2.5 inches wider than most traditional backpack chairs and comes with 5 reclining positions. It's loaded with accessories, including an insulated cooler pouch, cell phone holder, towel bar and adjustable pillow. Easily adjusts to 5 seating positions, including a lay flat option, providing you with customized seating and relaxation. Features a towel bar on the back of the beach chair and an insulated cup holder so you can enjoy an entire day of relaxation. Beach chair frame is constructed of durable rust-proof aluminum, making it lightweight and easy to carry. Weighs only 7.5 pounds. 5-position easy adjust recline options. Adjust without the worry of getting your fingers or hands caught in the brackets. Includes a mesh poku located on the side of the chair to store your keys, phone, and wallet. Pop open a cold one with the attached bottle opener. Number 3. Our third best pick is Coleman Lightweight Utopia Breeze Beach Chair. Are you looking for a low-to-the-ground and corrosion-resistant beach chair for your beach gear? The Utopia Breeze Sling Chair is a great lounge chair for long days on the sand. It's both highly durable and incredibly comfortable. However, bear in mind this is probably not the beach choice for older users as it may prove difficult to get in and out of. Super lightweight frame and highly portable. Weight capacity of 250 pounds. Low budget option. Carrying bag included. Relaxed backrest with full seat support. Seat back pocket and cup holder. Steel frame supports up to 250 pounds. Included for easy storage. What we love. Materials are of high quality which gives fantastic durability. Extremely compact design folds up effortlessly and carries easily in the carry bag. Great value for money in regards to comfort. What we don't love. Slightly limited in features and additional pockets. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Rio Beach Classic 5-Position Lay Flat Folding Beach Chair. You can enjoy an entire day of tanning on the beach with this 5-position lay flat beach chair from Rio Brands. This reclining chair utilizes Safe Adjust technology in the wooden armrests to avoid pinching fingers. Low to the ground seating, only 8.5 inch off the ground. 5 adjustable recline positions going completely flat. Contoured wooden armrests to give maximum elbow and forearm support. Top quality materials prevent scratching and give resistance to the weather elements. What we love. The materials used are fantastic and the aluminum frame is both lightweight and durable. The seat material comes in a whole variety of patterns to complete your look on the beach. Easy to carry with padded and adjustable straps. Completely lay flat or sit up, the choice is yours with 5 positions to choose from. What we don't love. Relatively low weight capacity of 250 pounds. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Wildhorn Terralite Ultralight Heavy Duty Outdoor Folding Camp Chair. Here is yet another highly portable beach chair that has made its way into the best of the mid-range category. This compact choice is sturdy in design and can easily sustain a 300 pounds weight capacity. Quit hauling around those bulky camping chairs. At only 2.55 pounds without the TerraGrip feet and 3.2 pounds with them installed, our lightweight portable chair is perfect for any outdoor activity. Easily attach your camp chair to a backpack or bag with the built-in strap for hands-free transport. Transform your Terralite backpacking chair into the ultimate beach chair with our exclusive TerraGrip feet, great for all sandy and muddy conditions. We also include 4 standard feet that create easily converted foldable outdoor chairs. The Terralite portable chairs are designed to be set up in seconds. Aluminum frame for both a strong and lightweight beach chair. Weight capacity of 300 pounds. Specially designed TerraGrip feet to handle all terrain. Mesh storage bag to transport the chair once collapsed down. What we love. Super compact once folded down, allowing for easy transportation and storage. Comfortable seat for all-day usage. All-terrain feet on the frame give sturdy results. What we don't love. Despite high weight capacity, this chair seat is relatively small and narrow. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.